Asus ROG Azoth, the unrivaled champion in the premium gaming keyboard category in 2024. The recent surge in remote work has prompted many to reevaluate their computer setups, leading to a boom in the popularity of custom mechanical keyboards. While these keyboards offer an upgraded typing experience, they don't always cater well to the gaming community. This is where the Asus ROG Azoth shines by bridging this gap. The Asus ROG Azoth aims to deliver a top-tier experience for both gamers and keyboard enthusiasts. It's packed with desirable features such as per-key RGB lighting, extensive programmability, rapid wireless connectivity, and impressive battery longevity. For those who appreciate the intricacies of keyboard design, it offers sound-dampening foam, lubricated stabilizers, superior keycaps and switches, and even includes a lubrication kit. Its design strikes a balance between gaming performance and everyday functionality. The Azoth adopts a 75% layout, incorporating a full-function row, arrow keys, and a column of navigation and editing buttons on the right side. This design provides a majority of the functionality of a 10-keyless TKL keyboard while sparing a few extra inches of desk space for your mouse movements. This makes it a more practical choice compared to compact 60% designs like the SteelSeries Apex Pro Mini or the Corsair K70 Pro Mini Wireless. One standout feature is the OLED display located in the upper right corner. This is far from a mere aesthetic enhancement. It can be customized to display anything from personalized logos and GIF animations to system information such as CPU and GPU temperatures, date and time, or even calendar and email notifications. This feature is particularly useful for those pushing their systems to the limit and needing to monitor system temperatures closely. Finally, the Azoth's build quality is outstanding. The upper half of the casing is crafted from solid aluminum akin to premium custom keyboards. While many manufacturers tout aircraft aluminum components, they usually refer to switch plate. In contrast, the Azoth features a steel switch plate topped with a robust aluminum casing. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it.